Want to scale your Fiverr business without working 24/7? Outsourcing can help you handle more orders while you focus on growing your brand. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to outsource work the right way on Fiverr. Let's get started. First, find reliable freelancers, either on Fiverr itself or trusted platforms like Upwork. Look for high ratings and clear communication. Next, set expectations upfront. Deadlines, revisions, and pricing. Use Fiverr's Collaborate feature to assign tasks securely. Always review outsourced work before delivering to maintain quality. And finally, build long-term relationships with your team to ensure consistency. In conclusion, outsourcing lets you scale without burnout. Start small, choose wisely, and watch your Fiverr business grow. If this helped, like and subscribe for more freelancing tips. See you in the next video.